So it's been almost a week, I think, at this point. The Boardwalk Surf Shop is still not open, still having technical difficulties. Hopefully it will be open in the next couple days. But here we are. They are filming a commercial spot for Hangtime. They've got riders going on, like waiting in line. Let's see if we can see Mario. Oh, there's Mario! Mario! My God! So an interesting new addition. Here is the paint of K20 on the ride-out booth. It's definitely an homage to Knott's 1920 when they opened. So they actually have the gift shop open from this side for shade. We can see what the picture looks like. It's really hard for the camera to see it, but it actually looks really cool. It's like waves, which makes sense. So we totally got some camera crews and also some actors sitting outside. So outside the entrance, I can't speak, I'm so excited. Hangtime is going up the lift hill right now, though, so that's awesome. So it looks like the actors are all walking in at the perfect time and getting their pictures. Yeah, man, it's awesome. I can't wait to actually see this commercial.
Did it stop completely when you went on it? Oh yeah. Because I've been seeing it kind of. It's been stopping every single time, and it's been awesome. It's really have you?
That timing, man. And so they just said action. They're walking in to the ride, all excited. Gotta love actors, right? How cool is that? And cut. Gotta love the gimbal for this guy too. That's kind of ridiculous. So you can see heads peeking out now. They're about to go up to lift hill. Mario back row. What a guy! He's just trying to fall out, I guess. Oh my gosh. You go, Mario. Sorry. Mario's waving down. He's having so much fun right now, I'm sure. Oh my gosh! You're kidding me, right? That whip was insane.
Hear all the screams.
Oh. Alright, let's see how the shakiness is. Oh, okay, you can definitely see it. Mario said it wasn't bad, so. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. So here's another test run. You can't see him. Mario is in the same spot right now. Oh,
It's the same.
wow. You can just see the hang time through their hair. Absolutely awesome. So they're actually transferring a train onto the track as we speak. It's slowly rolling out. But you've got the camera crew right here on the right side of the screen with their crazy gimbal and Zach's big head, of course. Picture did go off that time too.
I hold you for a good time.
Oh, it really roars when you're under it, that's for sure. So here's a quick wipeout construction update. It looks actually kind of crazy over here, to be honest. Still a big hole, but definitely progressing.